Using technology for studying can significantly enhance your memorization and learning efficiency. Various apps and tools are designed to help students retain information more effectively through innovative methods. Among the best technologies for studying, spaced repetition apps like Anki use algorithms to schedule reviews of material at optimal intervals, greatly improving long-term retention. Good methods include using flashcard apps like Quizlet for active recall and practice testing. Excellent techniques also involve leveraging mind mapping tools such as MindMeister to visually organize information and improve understanding. For example, Anki's spaced repetition system helps students remember complex concepts by prompting them to review material just before they are likely to forget it. Research indicates that students using spaced repetition techniques outperform those using traditional study methods. Similarly, MindMeister has been shown to improve comprehension and recall by structuring information visually. To implement these tools effectively, start by integrating a spaced repetition app into your study routine to review material at strategic intervals. Use flashcard